In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and manage a project using Gantt charts, making your project planning much smoother and more organized. So, let's jump right in and get started. To begin with, let's open the project you'd like to work on. This step is crucial because accessing the correct file will ensure you're making updates in the right place. If you're using project management software, this may involve launching the application and selecting your project from a list or using a search function. Ensure you've navigated to the right file before proceeding to our next step, which is switching to the Gantt chart view. Now, within your project management tool, look for the Gantt chart view option. This view is one of the most popular ways to visually map out your project plan, as it provides a comprehensive timeline and helps to keep track of both the big picture and the finer details. Upon selecting this view, you'll see tasks laid out along a timeline and organized based on their start and finish dates. This layout will help you understand the sequence of tasks and their durations at a glance. Next up, let's dive into managing your task timelines and dependencies. In the Gantt chart view, you should be able to see where each task fits into the overall timeline. It's important to ensure that the duration of each task is accurate, which you can usually adjust by clicking or dragging on the bars that represent tasks. Doing so will help reflect the time allocated for each task properly. Moreover, these bars are often color-coded, providing a visual cue of their status, like pending, in progress, or completed. Be sure to familiarize yourself with these color codes. Once the timelines are set, it's time to manage the dependencies between tasks. Dependencies are critical because they indicate how tasks are connected and which ones need to be completed before others can begin. Creating these links is usually as simple as drawing or connecting lines between tasks in your Gantt chart. These links help ensure that your project progresses as planned and that tasks are completed in the right order. It's an aspect of project management that ensures efficiency and reduces the potential for bottlenecks. As you go through this process, continually review and adjust based on any new information or changes in the project scope. This flexibility is key to successful project management, allowing you to respond to challenges without derailing your plans. Remember, Gantt charts are living documents and they should evolve as your project progresses. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to opening your project, switching to the Gantt chart view, and effectively managing your task timelines and dependencies. By incorporating these tools into your workflow, you'll find that keeping your projects on track becomes more intuitive and manageable. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on project management.